There's fish in there. Are we gonna
You're to open that other bag.
Did you get it? Where did you get it from?
I don't know where I get it from.
Oh, you got some more from the boat or from the?
I think
What kind are those? Are those carp? There is one.
They're grass carp.
All of them?
Those are.
That's quite a few
except
little
the
fish,
ones that Dad's messing with.
Those carp are this. You got my boots.
Tiny.
Oh, that's another. What is that? Is that another carp?
Yeah. He's splashing the
There's
bag.
a herring that I scared off earlier too. Just wait.
You want to go do that,
No.
please? Yeah. I'm asking to the other side.
Are these things?
No,
Are these fixed, Dad? These carp?
yeah, they're sterile. You could put some water in that bag. Just scoop up a little water.
Don't let any fish go. He knows. Is there only one fish in Mac's bag?
Two.
Two? Could I look at the two fish? I see all the fish.
What kind of feeder fish are those?
They're fathead nose.
So those won't ever be able to get big.
What do you mean they won't ever get big?
Oh, look at
Fathead nose? They won't really get big.
Alright, you want to film it, Nay?
Hey, so I let
Wait till the water cools a little bit so
I
it
let
sees
one
you
go,
here.
Daddy.
Let's see.
I see a fish right there. So I will let one
There goes some.
Oh yeah, there goes some. It's the first time I'm here. Could I cast a little and then put the net in it back in?
Don't drop a swim.
Could you save two for me and I to release out of our hands? Yes. Can you save one for me and
They're still over here. Like one or two.
They're under Malachi's bag.
The little fishies are.
Not all.
Almost. And under Dad's.
Could I let one go, Daddy? Can you save one for me and then to release?
Looky there, there you go.
Can I grab one and release it? Daddy, can you save?
Here, you want to... Here, let's scoop up some more water.
Look how many. It looks black almost because there's so many fish.
Excuse me.
Not a
Wow, there's some fish coming right through here, shooting down.
in the middle of the pond. It's still.
Here you go, Rhyyan.
Whoa!
Billy, thank you for letting me go.
You want to let Simeon let some out?
Yeah. Oh, I put a lot out. There's a lot,
The
actually.
grass carp are about the same tint now.
Make sure you don't leave any in the bag.
Yeah, the grass.
Hey, don't step on them, Rhyyan.
Okay, can we out these?
Look, Dad,
I'm gonna wait until the water
Yeah,
cools.
you can let them out.
Dad, look.
Watch out, buddy. Come on.
Okay, here go the two little guys.
Here we go.
Hi, don't, you're muddying up the water. Don't move.
Gone.
Oh, this fish so pretty.
Yeah, I see a big one. I see a big
There's still some up the stream.
Yeah, these are trying to swim up.
The bass doesn't start
They,
going crazy in
they
there.
keep swimming up and then they get washed down by the current. See right there?
With that grass carp is like a good trout.
See how they're all getting washed down? Only that one's barely having much trouble. All the big ones aren't having too much trouble. See? So they're just sitting there. They can't stop swimming up or they'll go down.
Can't wait till the bass start going crazy.